All right, so here is an interesting question that we are going to solve. Uh, we are asked to find the I naught, which is, if you see the schematic, an output current here. So how to analyze the circuit? If you see this section to the left, uh, you have this 1 milliampere current source uh, that is getting into the MOSFET M1, and the drain pin of this MOSFET, let me draw here, the drain pin and the gate pin of the MOSFET M1 are tied together. That means there is voltage difference between the drain and gate of M1 is 0 volt. And this is the source pin. Similarly, this is the gate pin of the transistor M2. And here is the source pin, and here is the drain pin of the transistor 2. So 1 milliampere is the reference current or the input current that flows through this input transistor. We also can call it as an input transistor. And if we see that or say that the VGS1 is equal to VGS2, which is actually the case here. This is your voltage difference between gate and source pins of both the transistors. The gates are tied together and the same voltage is appearing at both the gates. So this is the first condition that which is true. Then we also assume that the transistor manufacturing is so identical that their threshold voltages, which are the turn-on voltages for both M1 and M2 are same. So they are equal. And also we set the width and the length of both transistors to be equal. Okay, so we assume that they are W by L ratio of both are same. So basically they are identical transistor. You have a source current of 1 milliampere, and if this condition are satisfied, so we say that the ID1, which is basically 1 milliampere, then becomes ID2 is equal to ID1. So the current here is 1 milliampere. So if this is 1 milliampere that flows through the 4 kilo ohm, the voltage here is 5 volt minus the voltage drop across 4K. So which is 1 milliampere by 4K. So 4 volt. So 5 minus 4 comes 1 volt here. So this 1 volt is the voltage at the positive pin of the op-amp. This is the voltage at the negative pin of the op-amp. Assuming the open loop gain of the transistor ideally is of the op-amp, the open loop gain of the op-amp is ideally infinite. The voltage difference between the two pins of the transistor is 0 volt. So this 1 volt at the V plus pin is equal to the 1 volt that comes due to virtual short concept at the V minus pin of the transistor. So this 1 volt is nothing but a voltage at the source pin of the transistor M3. So creating a current flow through this resistor, which is also the source IDS of this transistor M3, which is basically, let's say IDS, which is drain to source current, is 1 volt divided by 100 kilo ohm. So that comes out to be 10 microampere. So this I naught is nothing but your IDS, right? So that is your 10 microampere